Buying vegetables in the marketplace is not an easy task, especially if it is your first time purchasing in the market. There are a lot of things that you need to take into account when shopping. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have the right type of vegetables. You need to know the difference between fresh and not fresh vegetables. Where is the best place to buy fresh fruits and vegetables? In the Philippines, there are several places to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. The first is at the market because it is the most convenient and cheapest. Aside from that, most of the local produce from the community is sold in the market. The second place to buy fresh vegetables is at the grocery store. Most grocery stores have a vegetable section that undergoes strict quality control, making sure that the vegetables sold are fresh. Although buying vegetables in the grocery stores is a little bit pricey as compared to the market. When is the best time to buy fresh fruit and vegetables? The best time to buy fresh vegetables in the market is early in the morning. The reason that the vegetables will be fresh is that the vegetables are just delivered to the market. Another reason is that the displayed vegetables are not yet exposed to the sun and air. And finally, the displayed vegetables are not leftovers from other buyers. Here at Shopaverse PH, we collated some tips and advice on how to buy fresh vegetables for beginners like you. 1. Make sure it's not dry. Fresh vegetables' physical appearance is shiny and looks fresh. The color is bright and the skin is not dry. Fresh vegetables are vegetables that have not been exposed to the sun for a long period of time. Long exposure to vegetables under the sun, especially those that are sold on the sidewalk, can cause vegetables to become wilted. This means that they have lost their freshness and lost most of their crunchiness due to the loss of water content. 2. Check the color. If there is discoloration such as a brown leaf or yellow leaf, chances are it is not fresh anymore. When the leaf turns yellow, especially the green leafy vegetables like water spinach and camote tops, don't buy it even if it's cheaper than other vegetables. 3. It must be firm. In order to ensure that the vegetables you are buying are fresh, they should be firm when touched. For example, if you are buying sayote or papaya for your dishes, you should check if the vegetable is still firm when touched and if it reverts back to its original form. 4. Trust your nose. The smell of fresh vegetables is a sign that they are fresh and packed with nutrients. This is because they have been harvested recently and do not have any bad odor. Old and stock vegetables in shelf tend to reduce their fresh aroma, so you should pay attention to that. In summary, fresh vegetables are a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide a good amount of dietary fiber, which can help you stay regular. That is why it's important to know how to pick fresh vegetables in the market.